Hey guys, welcome to Learn Everything for Free. Here is something you cannot afford to miss. Here's a trending update, okay? VNDC. When I talk about VNDC, I'm talking about a stable coin, okay? And you know what a stable coin is, right? You've seen USDT, you've made use of BUSD, you've made use of USDC, you have TUSD, and the rest of them. These are stable coins. These coins were distributed to the first set of people that partook in the exercise. So let's say airdrop exercise. Now here's another opportunity for you to grab VNDC. It is a stable coin. Now look at this figure you can see on my screen now, 200,000 VNDC now. Now let's turn it around now and assume this is USDT now. You are turning this around now. Now I have 200,000 USDT, 200,000 BUSD, 200,000 what TUSD, and 200,000 USDC. Now I'm talking about a whole lot of money, right? Now, but you can claim this for free now, okay? Claim this for free before this token will start, circulating, before it will become valid. In fact, it's already valid, okay? It's not invalid, it is valid. Now they are distributing this coin for only those that will grab this opportunity, those that are willing, okay, ready to do what? To register and partake in few tax. What are the tax? No tax, just registration only. Once you register, you'll be among the lucky persons, okay, lucky selected persons to get this, okay? Everybody can be a winner if you tap into this right now. Now it's very simple. How do you claim this? How do you get this coin? How do you claim this 200,000 VNDC for free? It is very simple. Here are the steps you have to follow. Okay, you have to go to what check the description link below. You should see a referral link, a sign up link address like this. So you just have to click on this, click on the address you see in the description link below, either on your WhatsApp, on your Telegram, on this YouTube channel, on Twitter, whatever platform you're seeing this information. Just do what? Click on the sign up link there. Then the next thing you do is fill the form, enter your email address, enter your password, then a section for you to enter what your referral code, which is this code you're seeing now, okay? Enter who is referring, enter the code, okay? Once you enter this code, then you do what? You have to download the application. Very simple. I'm just giving you the steps, okay, you need before you can claim that 200,000 VNDC for free. Now the next thing is to download the application. Yes, a pop-up message or link or a note will be popped out, okay, while registering. Now you see a link to download from Play Store if you're using Android. Then for iOS users, you also see the link for iOS. Just download the application. After download the application, the next you do is fill what? Your profile. You have to pass through what they call KYC, know your customer. And performing this task, you need a valid identity card, okay, a valid ID. It could be a national ID card, it could be a voter's card, it could also be your driving license, it could be any form of identity card that is valid and what acceptable. You fill it. After filling it, enter your name, your date of birth. These are information that will be required, okay, from you. Once you enter this information, give it nothing less than between 5 to 1 hour. Your account will be verified, and you see what? You see 200,000 VNDC. Hurry now, grab this opportunity. Hurry now, share your referral link and get more. As you share your referral link, you are getting more of VNDC. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're a visitor. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.